Hi everybody. I purchased this UV lamp for my whole house Aquasana water filter system a while ago. And today I'm gonna go ahead and install it and show you how easy it is. Comes well packaged. This is a really rigid cardboard tube, stuffed in the ends, encased in a complete styrofoam sleeve. Let's work this out without touching it. Everywhere it says don't. Certainly don't touch the glass, but I'll be even more careful. I won't touch it at all. I've got a freshly laundered shop rag here. So there it is. Old one. For whatever reason, they always seem to get a little bit of something right by the electrode inside. But nice new clean replacement. Let's go and install it. I know there's going to be a few different models out there, different variations, and obviously different installations. Oh, I've got this box. This plugs in here, which you can see that I've already unplugged it into the top of my UV light. You can see it's been a while since I changed it. I just unplugged it for a while, but now I've gotten a replacement light and I'm going to go ahead and replace it. So on mine it's pretty simple. There's a little pinch mechanism on each side. It goes in so little that you can't even tell, but you pinch this and then just wiggle it straight up, and then everything just comes out. So you don't have to mess with all the rest of the plumbing that's inside. If you installed it yourself, you'll recall that it was a little finicky to get it to stop leaking with the tiny O-rings and stuff. But to just replace that bulb is pretty straightforward. Now that's just going to pull straight out of there. The new one will go in and it'll be a straight insertion back into the casing. The pins are all staggered, different heights, and it's pretty obvious how it goes in to the connector, because the connector is also very staggered. So I just took this one out. Longest pin to the mates to the shortest bit of the socket. Let's get the new one in. All right, here's the new bulb. There's the connector. Longest electrode plugs into the shortest electrode on the connector. There's 4 of them, so just a little bit of eyeballing, twisting, shoving to make sure all 4 of them seat. All 4 of them are seated. Insert the tube back into the casing. I know it's got a seat at the bottom, but that was very straightforward. Back into This, it doesn't seem outrageously tight, but the water seal is outside. There's a glass tube inside this housing that keeps the water away from the light. It's just flowing around the light. So this part is just for the light. Everything else with the water in and the water out is sealed top and bottom with the glass tube that's inside this case. Again, if you installed this yourself, you'll know that. Or if you watch any YouTube videos about how to install this system, you'll know that. So we should be good to go. Plug it back in. Make sure the counter resets. And doesn't alarm. And it seems it's as simple as that. 365, that's 1 year. We'll update the date tag on the filter, on the UV light. And come back and review this video in a year. Take care, everybody.